Heyo. Okay, so I'm at one of my good friends' football games, and it's raining, and it's noon. Why the heck is there a football game at noon? I don't know, but nah. Got an umbrella and my coat.
Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy! Oh,
Yeah, that's good. Uh-huh. Like, what about the tree?
What?
So you're just like coming over here and
Doesn't that look cool?
You're a dork, Mom.
No.
Darla, what are you doing?
Don't you wish everything could put itself away like Reflex?
What?
Only from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.
Marie Callender's
What?
Tender tastes better when it's homemade. Like chicken flank, golden brown.
What? Oh. Yes, I was inviting you up here.
Maybe we're down because of the side of the...
Yeah, I know.
Darla. Thank you.
I was trying to get her down on that one.
I know.